Welcome to Meteorology 101. Visit our website at meteorology101.com. In this video, we are going to cover atmospheric forces. Pressure gradient force. Pressure gradient force is a force acting on a parcel of air, resulting from the difference in pressure on either side of the parcel. This pressure difference is what causes the wind to blow. Wind always blows from high pressure toward low pressure. Contour gradient force. Contour gradient force is the force that represents pressure gradient force on a constant pressure chart. Contour gradient, the rate of height change with change in distance on a constant pressure surface. Much like hills and valleys on the Earth's surface correspond to the higher and lower height values, respectively, on a constant pressure surface. Contour gradient force is directly proportional to the strength of the contour gradient. If the contour gradient increases, then the contour gradient force must also increase. Conversely, if the contour gradient decreases, then the contour gradient force will also decrease. Centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is an apparent force that deflects particles, and therefore winds, away from the center of rotation. Centrifugal force is needed to describe the balance of forces present as wind flows around highs, lows, ridges, troughs, or any time the flow is not in a straight line. The strength of centrifugal force is dependent on two factors. First, the greater the velocity of the moving parcel, the greater the centrifugal force for a constant curvature. Secondly, as the radius of curvature decreases with velocity constant, centrifugal force increases. Coriolis force. Coriolis force is an apparent force exerted on moving objects caused by the rotation of the Earth and its coordinate system. It is equal to the product of the Coriolis parameter and the linear velocity. The Coriolis force measures the effect of the rotation of the Earth and its coordinate system relative to a moving object in the atmosphere. Coriolis force always acts 90 degrees to the wind direction when using the natural coordinate system. The closer you get to the poles, the stronger the Coriolis force if wind speed remains unchanged. Frictional forces. Frictional forces oppose motion and slows down everything that moves on the Earth's surface. Friction always acts opposite to the direction of motion. With an increase in friction, the wind velocity will decrease. However, friction has no direct effect on pressure gradient or contour gradient forces. It will cause both Coriolis and centrifugal forces to decrease. Winds will tend to back, a counterclockwise change of direction, backing up on a clock, toward the stronger force. These videos, although short, take hours to create. Please consider clicking the thumbs up and sharing this video.